So I started off with 60 grit and 60 grit sandpaper, and it moved up to 150. Yeah, 150. And I've done it all. It's all of it's nice and smooth. I don't think I'm gonna do any more as far as sanding goes. These black things right here are the inside of the drawer, like the bottoms. They're just like little thin inserts. And I don't think that I'm going to run with that. I think I'm going to put in some 1/4 inch, or maybe a little more than 1/4 inch plywood or something else similar to that. Anyways, got this edge done. That was really hard to do without taking the edge off. So I did it with this. And this is just a little mini chisel. Whoa, there we go. It's one that I made. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's one that I made a while back. Stay focused. So I never did a video for this, but I didn't feel like it was necessary to do a video. I was just trying to make it real quick because I bought this chisel at the flea market for like 50 cents, and it didn't have a handle, so I just threw it together. Anyways, I mean, you know, I sanded it out and shaped it and all that, whatever. Anyways, so I got that done. All the sanding's done. I did have to use this Type Bond on a couple spots, like, similar to this. You really can't see that, but that part's missing, and I'm probably going to have to use some wood filler. And I'm thinking to maybe fill in all the holes. Maybe not all the holes, but at least the ones on the front of the drawer, like that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. Just to, you know, maybe get some different handles. I don't know that these holes are going to line up. Anyways, everything was pretty simple, and all the pieces are here. Just got to move on to the next step is to stain. And, yeah, so that's where we're at. But this is kind of hard to do right here. Anyways, that's the big picture so far. So after it's all done, came out pretty color. This is Jacobine, this color. And these wooden slats, they go on the outside. I think I've kept it really good as far as trying to keep the antique look. And I did each individual piece so that everything's uniform. Let's see. Got these. Came out pretty decent. Was going for a dark color. And these are the faces of the drawers. Let's see those. There's one right here. Came out beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. It's insane. So, my next step is polyurethane. There's one of them. Drawer face. And then there's one more, the bottom one. It's got a couple of spots on it where it had some wood filler. But I'm just going to leave that how it is. I may touch it up later, but not right now. Okay, so I'm going to get this together and move on to the poly. Be right back. Clear glass. Fast drying. 3 to 4 hours, still solid dry. I'm about to do these two and let them dry. This
is the kind of brush I'm using. It says blasey blasey blah. It's polyester.